this whole world just doesn't exist to most people. You realise that there's definitely a role for you somewhere. It's taught me like how to work with people that are not in my immediate friendship circle. So it was nice to work with people who are from like completely different like backgrounds, even like different countries, and just like find a like common ground.
We've got people from all different backgrounds, we come from all walks of life, but we've all come together and been able to like really connect as a group, so I think that's really nice.
I feel like not coming straight from a degree or not necessarily coming from like an advertising course, I feel like I come with like fresh ideas and I think more outside the box than like your set structure of how they might go with like creating a campaign.
We've done all sorts, you know, from like learning how to pitch your idea and how to sell your idea, right through to like how do you translate like a big creative idea into like a digital product. But I think for me what I took away from Shift so far was just kind of like the raw passion from everyone, right from like not just like the programme and like the shifters, but to like the ECDs that we get to speak to and how passionate everyone is.
It's just really cool because it's just like opened the doors for like so many more jobs and opportunities I hadn't even thought of before.
Yeah, you feel like you belong here, because I think that's another thing I struggled with a lot, was like questioning whether I actually really belonged in this creative industry. But when you're on programs like this, and it's like first things first, you've been picked to be here, so it's like there must be something about you. And then it's like when you're actually working and like getting comfortable with things that at first made you uncomfortable, then you start to like actually say, yeah, you know what, like, yeah, I do actually belong here.